This is the Nutribullet Every Grain Cooker. With the Nutribullet Every Grain Cooker, you can prepare a variety of grains using its 5 automatic cooking programs, or steam vegetables, proteins, and more with its steam function. Enjoy added convenience with the programmable delayed start, which lets you set the start time up to 12 hours in advance. Once cooking is finished, it automatically switches to the keep warm setting to maintain your meal's temperature. The stackable steaming basket allows you to cook vegetables or proteins while your grains are being prepared, offering a full meal in no time. The Nutribullet. Every grain cooker can make up to 10 cups in its non-stick cooking pot, which ensures easy cleanup. The Nutribullet. Every grain cooker is the ideal addition to any kitchen,